Hi everybody. Today I want to show you about Canva's Pro's new tool, the magicerase, and I'm just in love with it. I think it's fantastic. So it is fairly new, so I just wanted to take the time to kind of show you what you could do with it. So this picture here is actually my daughter. And this is an AI generated photo from a TikTok app. And I absolutely love it, but the only thing about the TikTok, about this photo is, here's another one. So I love this one too. And this is my actual daughter. She's 9. And I just love it. So, the only thing about it, this is me and this is her. And the only thing about it is that when you get it, TikTok won't let you take a picture, save the picture. It wants you to upload the video. So what I did is I screenshotted the AI generated photos when we took them. But then you got these watermarks. And so up until now, I had no idea what to do with it. So yeah, so what do? So let me show you real quick, and here are some other pictures I just did, random. You're supposed to use video, but I actually just pulled up a picture and took pictures. Anyway, let me show you what you're supposed to do with this new tool. So you're going to click on the picture that you want. You're going to go to edit. You should have the new tools up here. This is the new version. So you're going to go to, and this is only for Canva Pro. So if you don't, I've had it for years, but if you don't already have it, then I would definitely recommend it. So you're going to go to the magic eraser. And then you literally just highlight these. I was really impressed with this because I thought it would erase the whole thing, but it did. It removed the watermark, guys. It removed the watermark just like that. Now it does kind of blur it just a little bit. So far the only problems that I found is if you get too close to lips or the eyes, sometimes it can kind of mess it up. That's not what I wanted to do. So I'm just going to go and erase those. Looks good. Gonna go back. I'm gonna click on it again. I'm gonna crop it, and I'm gonna crop the bottom. Maybe if my computer will work. And then we'll crop the top. And then that's it. I'll show you mine. So we'll do the same thing. We'll go in here and we'll erase these. Super easy. Looks good. Guys, if you no longer want those Olin Mills photos, and if you're my age, you know exactly what Olin Mills is, but any photographer nowadays, and they have their name written across your picture and you paid for it, but you really just don't want it. I mean, I'm just saying, this is a way to remove those watermarks. Now, let's say that you did accidentally, I was just showing you that you can erase that too. So if you want to keep the black up there, you can. You can erase this. I am just going to crop it real quick. No, actually I'm not. First I want to show you, if you, let's say that you did get in here and messed up the eye. See how it kind of makes it wonky? Yeah. So the only thing that the only problem that I have found is that there's not a way to do the undo. There is, however, down here, this reset erasings, but at this time, if you click this, it's going to reset all of them. Unfortunately, you can't just go back and undo the last one. It's going to take all of them. But that's okay. I mean, just play with it a little bit. I think it's phenomenal. It's a great way to get rid of watermarks on your pictures. And it actually generates and leaves in, you know, the image that was behind it. All right, that's it. Have a great day.